Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and guess what today is going to bring? We are going to go through all of my stickers and organize. I know, sounds like fun, I'm sure. But I have so many stickers now, and I had them in a binder, and it was just too much to deal with. So I am going to go ahead and organize them, put them in categories, and then go ahead and put them in, hopefully it'll fit in a tub like this, and put them in little file folders. So that is the goal today. So let's get started. Okay, I have them in piles right now. I don't know if that makes any sense to you, but let me just go around and show you what I've got, and then I can tell you what categories I think I'm going to make them. So as you can see, there are quite a few. Okay, so this is all going to be like natural flowers, springtime, forest, stuff like that. This one is going to be like furniture, old antique furniture, anything having to do with that. This is going to be baby stuff. This is just letters. This is food or candy or what have you. That, don't know yet. I might put that in the baby stuff. This one here is going to be like clothing, and actually I could put some of that in furniture. That is going to be planner. These are all, I think I'm going to put all of these in my planner section, including that, because it's kind of miscellaneous, not really anything special. Those are going to be all word type stickers. That's going to be like a washi tape. They're not really washi tape, but it's like washi tape type stickers. That one there is all wintry type stickers. That there is fishing, fishes, and then that's going to be all sports. That one there is religious. That is all smiley face, and what else do I got in there? Okay, smiley face and people type stickers. These here are going to be beach. It's going to be the beach category. That is just aliens. That is going to be Asian. Birds. Insects. Wedding. I might put those together because that's all love type stickers, so I might just put that in there. These are animal stickers. I think I said insects already. Insects, animals. Those are all fish stickers, or items from the sea. Oh, actually, this one here is not love stickers. These are all like gemstone type stickers, or the felt stickers, or the foam stickers, that sort of thing. This is all love stickers, so I may put that in with that because I only have one of those. And then that is going to be all St. Patrick's Day type stickers. And then all of these down here, these are not stickers, but I'm probably going to put them in a category in the box if it can fit. But this is all different types of doodads to put in junk journals and things like that. So that may or may not go in the box. At this point, it looks like it will not. So we're just going to keep that separate for now. So let me go ahead and get started, and I will show you what I've got next. Alright, I've got it all finished. This is now my sticker box. I had to switch out another box because the clear one was way too small. This one was just a little bit bigger. It held everything except for some of the things that really aren't stickers anyway, so I'm not worried about that. So everything in here is sticker. It's a sticker of some sort. So let's go ahead and open it up. So what I did is use the filing folders that that you can put in with these boxes here, the filing boxes, and use their plastic tabs, and I just put on what each section is. So like this first section is planner, anything having to do with a planner. So I have all of my planner stickers in there. This one is all words. Anything that has words on it is what I put in that one. Next one is letters and numbers. So lots of that in there. The next one is clothes, or anything else having to do with clothes, or just little objects that might go with clothes. I had to kind of combine stickers, so I kind of got away with that on those. On this one, it's furniture, cars, and stuff. Because I couldn't figure out what else to say about that. But, so that's old-fashioned stickers there. Let's see if I can find. Here's some old antique cars, stickers, and planes. So it's a variety of things, but I get the gist. When I go into it, I'll know what's in there. The next section is baby, because I have some baby stickers in here to do for maybe a baby junk journal for someone, or a photo album or something like that. The next section is food and candy. I've got lots of those. Next one is another combo. I've got spring, beach, flowers, and nature all in one. And then I also on these, I just put a little sticker to kind of help you out to figure out what is on here. Just to make it a little more fun. And not so blah. When you just have your own handwriting on something, it's kind of nice when you have a little sticker or picture or something next to it. It makes it look a little bit nicer. The next one is another combo, which is animals, insects, and aliens. So I love these. I love these stickers. They glitter, and they're just cute little make-believe aliens. So I just thought that was cute. I think I got that one at Dollar Tree. Next one is anything having to do with the Asian culture. I got these from my aunt. She has had all kinds of stickers and different things, so I really like those. Next one is like Irish. It's for St. Patrick's Day or what have you. So that kind of looks German to me, but I think it's Irish. Next one is religious. And I have, looks like a nativity scene sticker here. Next one is fishing and under the sea. So I've got lots of fish, cartoony fish, and just anything having to do with under the sea. Next one is faces, and I've got little ballerinas, I've got just little people, and I've got some smiley faces. Some of these, the stickers were way too long, so I had to either cut them in half, just not hitting the sticker itself that I would need, or I folded it in half. So hopefully I'll still be able to use it even though they're folded. This one is winter, so I've got a bunch of winter stickers. Next one is sports. This one looks like hockey. I think I've got baseball in there. Next one is all about love. So anything having to do with love. And with this, some of these, like with these, if there was a gem that was in a specific title that I had on here, then I would just go ahead and put the gems in there, or the foam pieces, because I was running out of space. So that's what that is. But I've got some cool stickers for that. That's the wedding one. So I just left that in there. Those are together. Next one is washi tape type stickers. So you got that. Next, and the last one, gems and embellishment. So anything that I couldn't find where a gem might go, or an embellishment, I went ahead and put in this category. So I've got lots of these little pearl type embellishments. I've got a frame that I bought. I mean, that could probably go into winter, but I just went ahead and kept it in here. But that's pretty much it. I think it turned out really good. I no longer have my stickers in a big pile somewhere, but it's all nice and organized, and I think this is going to work out, so I'm really happy with it. So if you guys have another way of organizing your stickers, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to have some more ideas on things that we could do. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I will see you again next time, guys. Next Thursday, hopefully, and I'll have you some more awesome craft videos for you. Alright, you guys have a great day. Bye!